Accommodates most seedless grapes and grape tomatoes. Cuts grapes into quarters quickly, easily and safely. Soft, non-slip plunger and curved finger rests provide comfort while cutting. Serrated blades easily slice through fruit skins. Cover snaps on for on-the-go use and safe storage. Comes apart for easy cleaning. The handy OXO Tot Grape Cutter cuts grapes into quarters quickly and easily. This super safe gadget features a soft, non-slip plunger with curved finger rests for comfort while cutting and premium serrated blades that easily slice through fruits. Top reviews from the United States. Buy this. I put off buying this because I thought it was kinda pricey, but it's so worth it. I also thought it would be kinda annoying doing it over and over for each grape, but it's really not at all. It's so fast that it doesn't matter if you can only fit one, but if they're smaller you can fit two. The grapes cut so easily and it's fun to use. I bought a different grape cutter that I thought would be easier and quicker. It fit a bunch of grapes at once, but it's not as easy to use and is so hard to clean, so I gave in and got this one, and I am glad I did. I so wish I bought this first. It's super nice.